Hello everyone, quick video hopefully. This question came up in a LinkedIn group. This is a neat little solution that doesn't require VBA, which was a lot of the suggestions for it. You can read the question the guy posted, it's here, I've just copied and pasted it exactly as he's written it. But basically he's looking to do a bit of a find or a search. He's wanting to find a certain text string within another one, but that text string he's looking for could be one of 50,000 different specific keywords. So just a straight find or search doesn't work. But this is a nice little solution. If you want to use it, you can pause the video and just copy it off here. But basically, this is the formula here that does it. I wrapped it in an if error just to blank out any bad results. I'm not going to go through it in detail. Maybe I'll do another point, but just for now to get it out there. So just to show you what we do, I'm just going to grab that formula, I'm going to copy it, stick it in here as the first line we want to activate it on. You can see this is our list of keywords he's looking for. This is a string we're searching in. This is an array or a CSE formula, which means it has to be entered with Control-Shift-Enter. So we're going to go Control-Shift-Enter, and you'll see it finds hello, one of our keywords, and we're just going to copy it down. And there we go. It's found the relevant keyword in all those times. So that's a great little formula. I'll leave it there if you want to use it. Quick video. Hope that's all right. Thank you, everyone.